Right, so this is where we're pitched. No warning, because we've only been here for a couple of nights. And we're actually off this morning. Going to make a move. But before we do, we're going to have a little walk around the site. Me, Tom and Bella, ready to go walking. Yes, we've got Tom with us at the moment as well. And let's bet a day today, Tom. Because yesterday was an absolute washout. Well, we were gagging to get away, and Helen did say rain, hail, sun, snow were coming, and this is what we've got. Rain, rain, rain. I knew my caravan wouldn't stay clean for long. Are you dry now?
No.
We got a little bit wet there, didn't we? Because we moved pitches. Because through the night last night with the rain, through the trees, it sounded like someone was chucking pebbles all over the caravan.
Don't go under trees.
Don't go under trees. Listen to Jenny Earnshaw. She knows what she's talking about. Let's go for a wander. Come on, Bella. Don't think she wants to come, does she?
She wants to go back to the caravan and sleep.
Yeah, she likes to sleep. So it's Sunday morning. Helen and I got here on Friday. It wasn't too bad on Friday when we arrived. Saturday, a full day of rain, absolutely bucketed down. Come on, Belle, this way. Just pull up, mate. Come on. Yeah, bucketed down all day yesterday. Really did. And now we have Sunday morning and it's dry. It's trying to brighten up. The forecast for the week ahead is really good. And well, we're heading off somewhere else, but we're not going to tell you where we're heading to. We're going to keep that a bit of a secret. But it's one of our favourite sites. Thinking about the journey here, it took all of 5 minutes. Well, it should have done actually. We got stuck in traffic. It took 7. Come on, Bella, this way. Come on. Just want to show you up here because great zip wire area for the kids to come and play down here. That's the zip wires, Tom. We do have some cottages as well at the back end here, which are available to rent. And the main house, which is Clippesby Hall, is just on the right hand side here as we head back down towards base camp. And years ago, when I was a lad, and that is a long time ago, this all used to be a garden centre. My mum used to bring us out here on a Sunday or Saturday, and there's a very good cafe here, and pick up loads of plants and stuff for the garden. But it's been a campsite, touring site for a long time, probably at least 30 years I should think now. And in the summertime, in particular school holidays, very busy. It's a good family park, and you've got various areas, some of which are off grid, some of which are for camping, and then some are full service, which is where we are on a full service pitch. And here comes the sun. It's like we've ordered the better weather for the week ahead. We're away for a full week now. So fingers crossed it stays good. So that's where we're at, folks, Clippesby Hall. And over here, just on the roadway at the side, there's a number of these lovely lodges. Never stayed in one of these before, but I know someone that has. And they're quite luxurious, really. As you can see, they run all the way at the top of the lane. And they have some nice decking areas outside where you can sit and have a drink at night. And they also have hot tubs. So a real attraction. And again, just to give you an idea of the view that they've got, if I just move over, because Bella's going to trip me up. Yeah, so that's the view they've got, is across the fields, look. over there. And as a reminder, if you're wondering where we are literally about 6 or 7 miles from Great Yarmouth and Caister-on-Sea, so not too far from home for us at all. But we were just itching to get away. You won't believe it, we've just been stopped by a subscriber, Uzo, and her kids who were in the car from Hatfield. So Uzo, if you're watching, lovely to meet you. Thanks for stopping and saying hello. And she asked where Helen was, but because Helen's doing some important duties at the moment, which is cleaning the caravan, getting ready to go back to our next port of call. So Tom and I came out with Bella. Just show you the reception area in base camp now. So this is a view as you arrive on site. Reception just here on your left, so you'll be asked to pull over to check in. There's a base camp car park as well there. So some of the local people in other places, they will come here and book a meal in the restaurant because the food's really good. And we had takeaway pizza last night, didn't we, Tom?
Yeah.
How would you rate your pizza on a scale of 1 to 10?
I'd say it was quite good, actually.
Yeah?
I'd say it was worth the money.
So how much out of 10?
I'd rate it probably an 8 out of 10.
8 out of 10. That's good for Tom because he's not known to be generous with his marks. Now they've got Crazy Golf, which is on the other side. I'll show you when we go through the complex. Reception through there. We will go in shortly. We're going to go and retrieve Helen because we're going to go in there and have our breakfast. Right, this is a full service area here called Meadow. And this is, as you can see, very close to base camp. So if you don't want to stagger back too far to your caravan, this is a good area to pitch. Full service again. One of the busier areas. I think all the regulars know about this place. And talking of regulars, there's a couple in here. Let's see if they're up yet. Yeah, recognise this caravan. Seen this one before. It's from a local caravan store called Green Trees, and I'm pretty sure we did a review around this caravan. Well, I don't know if there's anybody up yet. Anybody in? Kettle's been on. They've definitely been up because I can see the toasters up. So, here we go. Are you all right, Ronnie? How are you, boy?
Not too bad, how are you?
All right, have you been up long?
Oh, about 6.
No. Have you had your breakfast yet?
Yeah.
We're now going to a base camp for breakfast.
You in, are you?
Yeah, we can't be bothered to cook, yeah.
Yeah, no, we just had breakfast all done and finished.
I thought you're going to get all this packed down today, aren't you?
Yes.
You're moving on. Yeah. Right, so we've seen Ronnie. Where's Leslie? What are you doing, Leslie?
I'm just bringing this back for Helen.
Oh, yes.
Book that your daughter wrote. Absolutely brilliant.
Did you like it?
Good laugh, yeah, really good.
She's a bit of a joker, isn't she,
I'll
Gemma?
do the next one.
You've read
I've
two?
got more to do.
How many have you read now then?
Well, I read the last one that she done, and this is the first one of the 3.
Brilliant. Look, a little plug for my daughter, Gem Birman. Where is he? Auntie Gemma. Yeah. Who is an author. She's so kind of tragic. I don't know how many she's written now. She's written quite a few, hasn't she? So she had a trilogy. I don't know with the fourth one.
That's the first one of the trilogy.
Yeah.
And the 4th one was good as well.
Available on Amazon, folks. I'll put a link in the description below. Help keep the family afloat. So, talking of staying afloat, you stayed afloat in all that rain yesterday, then, Ronnie?
God, that's lovely.
God, didn't it pour down?
Didn't it just?
Yeah. How many nights have you been here then?
Last Friday.
Last Friday.
Blimey, so that's a lot of nights.
That is a lot of nights.
Over a week, isn't it?
10
That'll be
nights.
10 when we go tomorrow.
And,
Are you not going to you don't declare where you're going tomorrow? Keep that as a big surprise.
Oh,
All right.
yes.
Yeah.
Well, we'll see you
Because we're
there.
going to hook up, aren't we? We're going to
Yes.
get together. Let's get together again. But it's been, tell you what, it's been busy down here though. This is about the busiest bit on the site, I think.
Yeah, that's been really good though, apart from the weather.
Have you eaten out much in base camp?
Yeah,
Yeah?
we've had about 3 meals down there.
Yeah, good?
We had the Sunday roast, which I can recommend.
Yeah.
We have had breakfast here before because we've been here a few times, and that's really good.
We're going to try it out in a minute.
Oh well, you'll enjoy it. That's
Yeah.
really good.
Get the full Monty, can you?
Yeah,
Oh, yes.
Oh, that's good then.
yeah,
Yeah.
And the pizzas, what?
Oh, we tried a pizza last night. Tom had one to himself, his big 10-inch cheese and tomato jobby,
Really?
and we had the pulled pork and bacon. Oh, it was
Nice.
fantastic.
They are good.
And I don't really do pizza, but it was very
we
good.
don't either.
No, we couldn't eat it all, could we?
Now, this is the only time we have pizza, isn't it?
When you come here.
Come here.
Oh, so
That's
that's
nice.
Clippesby Hall, folks. You can't go wrong. Get yourself
No.
down here.
And the sun's coming out.
Look at this.
Son,
Yeah, they know you're going tomorrow.
that's
Well,
all right.
we're going to grab Helen then. We're going to get some brekkie.
You can pick this up on your way back.
Yeah, we'll catch that later on then, yeah. Okie dokie.
All right then.
See you in a bit.
See you soon.
And just in the background there, another subscriber just heading back to his caravan. That was Lionel, out giving the dog a walk. Lionel from Essex. Nice to speak to you, Lionel. Been following us. And another one who's only here at Clippesby on our recommendation. So, good man. Good man. Right, we better go and get Helen now because she'll be going bonkers. She'll wonder where we are. So we're just in the base camp. I'll show you around, but priority number one, get some breakfast ordered. You can get breakfast in bread if you want it.
And bread.
Yeah, all of our sausages are gluten-free. Look at this, look, full English, $10.95 with produce from local butchers, sausage, 2 bacon, fried egg, 2 hash browns, tomatoes, mushrooms, beans and toast. Nah, not really, not for where we are.
Really?
I don't think so. You have a kid's breakfast, Helen.
Hey?
You can have a kid's breakfast for $6.95. Sausage, bacon, fried egg, beans on toast, there you go.
I'm going to have scrambled egg.
Oh, scrambled eggs, you're going down the healthy route. That's not bad, $4.95. You get pancakes.
Yeah, I saw that.
Tom, let's just zoom in on you for a moment. What's it going to be by? Are you going down the pancake route or are you going down the full English? The full English?
Yeah.
A good man. Let's go and have a little look over here. Crazy golf. Actually from the decking area here where I'm stood. But it feels like a morning on the Costa Brava. It really does. First sign of blue sky for a long time, I'll tell you that much. So as you can see, this is all illuminated at night. So whether you can still play golf at night, I'm not too sure, but table tennis over here as well. Little picnic area. Just pan around and show you. And there's base camp in there. Yeah, it really is the perfect place for families, this. And the nice part about it is as well, it's so secluded, so peaceful, tranquil, away from it all. But if you want to get in the car, 10 minutes and then you're on the seaside, on the beach at Great Yarmouth. Handy if you want to go further north in towards North Norfolk and Cromer or Norwich, the Norfolk Broads. This is the cycle hire shop. And then straight ahead here, play park for the kids. Can't take your dogs in this area for obvious reasons, I suppose. Well, actually, I say that. There was a sign up when we came last time that said no dogs. Yeah. Now it's more about, no glass and only food and drink purchased here. No dogs. So as I mentioned before, there is a charge. It's £5 a night for your dog, and you can't take the dog in base camp either. So that's my only bugbear. Just I mentioned it on the last video. Is why am I paying £5 from a dog when I can't take it in the club, or even an area of the club? I think it was Lionel I was just talking to. Who said if you could just have one area of base camp where you could take your dog, that'd be really good. But you can bring your dog outside, and they do, as you can see here. Look, they provide drinking water for the dog. And there's a seating area over here where you can eat. And again, perfect if you've got your dog. And they do have heaters here as well. So you can sit out here, just press the button on the either side of the pillar and it puts the heaters on, the infrareds over there. And they even provide blankets, look. And also little doggy beds, so that's not too bad, is it? So we mentioned the pizzas that we had last night. That's the big old pizza oven over there. And if you do come here, we can highly recommend the takeaway pizzas. They were fantastic. But the food in here was good as well. We had a meal in there the other night. And what did you think to your meal, Helen? I think you had a chicken burger and chips, didn't you?
My meal was fine, yes. Yeah, it was good. I can recommend the pizzas though, they're really nice.
Yeah.
You just phone from your caravan
Yeah.
and arrange a time and come and pick them up, have a drink beforehand.
Yeah.
It's quite handy, really.
Yeah, it was very good, wasn't it?
Yeah.
When Tom and I were out talking, we met up with Uzo. She's come up from Hatfield.
Oh, I see.
And she was asking where you were, and we told her you were doing some essential work, like making the beds and cleaning the caravan, weren't you?
I was cleaning the caravan because yesterday it was really quite wet and I had to get on my hands and knees and scrub all the carpets.
Yeah.
But they're okay now. But hi, Uzo. Sorry I missed you.
Yeah, and Nuzo had the kids in the car as well. They waved, and they've been camping, so they must have got drenched yesterday, I would think.
Yeah.
But she's a happy, smiley person, Uzo, wasn't she?
Very good.
Yeah. And what was that gentleman that we spoke to?
Lionel.
Lionel with his dog. Lionel from Essex, from Wickford. So he also said to say hello.
Hi.
Breakfast has arrived Sunday morning. Bit of a tradition, really. You need a bit more brown sauce on there, I reckon, Tom.
Yeah.
You'll be all right with that, won't you? Nah, we're joking. Helen's gone down the healthier option of scrambled eggs on toast.
Yeah.
Oh, you've got a bit of a mountain of toast there, though.
I won't eat all that.
Orange juice.
Yeah.
Very good. Very good. Let's get stuck in. We've got to eat this and we've got to get on our way. 5 minutes later, and that's what we've got. And that's the 10 o'clock bell. I'll show you the clock. Right, Tom, let's hit the road. Come on, we'll go. I'll show you. Yeah, Lee.
I've already done that.
That's a big clock you just heard. Oh, look here, look. The only problem coming to places like this. Jams, marmalades, teas, coffees, hot chocolates, shortbreads. It's good. Even pick up a morning paper here, look. You need one. And fresh bread. So that's base camp, everybody. It's got a lot going for it. Breakfast was great. We're going to head back now to the caravan because we have to move on. So if you have been, thanks for watching the video. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget, give us a thumbs up, leave a comment, and if you haven't done so already, subscribe to our channel. It's free, it costs nothing. And we'll take you with us on our travels.